I'm sexy and I know it.
Who's the knucklehead? We are the knuckleheads. Who's the knucklehead? We are the knuckleheads. Who's the knucklehead? We are the knuckleheads.
Okay, now rewatching Ansford's video, so you can hear my reaction when I watch his video of him getting stung, which has been a long time awaiting. Let's get on and have a look.
Nest, you'll see the nest is rammed as well. Now that might be partly why there's so many in the outworld, because there's just no space in this nest, so they desperately need an extension. Now this was what I was going to move them into, which is the Wakooshi hydration nest, something or other, I can't remember, but there'll be a link to Wakooshi's website down below, and don't forget you get a 10% discount if you use the discount code ANSHOOD, so by all means check it out and get the stats for that nest there. Now if you remember from my last video I said that I'm waiting for the hydration in the main nest to go up where the thermostat is, and it did hit I think a peak of 80% after hydrating it all, but this took a while, so before you move your nest into this you need to make sure they're on for these guys. Being classic hood, I completely forgot to take any pictures of the outworld before I connected it, but you'll get to see it in a bit anyway. So for the advantage of PJ Grant, I decided to record myself while I was going to disconnect it so you could actually see what it's like, my facial expressions when I get stung. And I kid you not, I literally sat there like this for a little while contemplating how I was going to attack this, because it was not going to be easy. It was not going to be a walk in the park, let's say. When I rewatched this footage, I thought my vocal reactions were quite funny, so I'm actually going to play the original audio. Now please bear in mind I am talking to people on my headset because I was part of Ant Oliver's live chat last night, so if you hear me talking to anyone, I am talking to them. But anyway, I'll leave you to it.
Oh, here it comes. So hilarious. Face. Oh man. I'm so grateful I recorded this. It's amazing. Oh, brilliant. Here it comes. Oh, look at them love stingers. Oh, you got the first one on. Oh, I've only been waiting months for this. His face. Ant form.
How I am getting stung bad.
Ant form.
Oh, shizer.
I forgot to put the review.
Oh.
You'll never get thrown and crying.
Oh. Yeah, that's what I'm doing now, mate. So I hope PJ Grant enjoyed hearing me call out in pain. I am not kidding. One sting's not too bad. When you've got 50 people all over your hand stinging you, then it gets bad. Oh, and I also got to mention there was a major there that clamped onto my